Hello everyone, welcome back to Nat A2. This is another Nat Tuesday. Today's topic is going to be about how to fix dry hair with 3 things. All you need is 3 things to use to fix your dry hair. If you are new to my channel, I would like to say welcome and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of me on my hair care journey. I have all kinds of recipes, DIY recipes in previous videos that you can look at. And also, I have a product out there that's on the market now. And if you're interested more about that, just stay tuned. With that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. All right, so this week is, this day actually is 3 days after I've washed my hair post-wash. So this is like a mid-week wash. Now I know you guys are probably wondering where are her African threads or treads. I actually took them out. I had to wash my hair, and that was the last video that you saw. So I had to wash my hair after, 2 months of doing African treading, dreadlock style care. So I had to take those out, wash my hair, my scalp really good. So right now, I'm just gonna leave it like this for a little minute, and then I'll redo my treads. But anyhow, I want to get onto the subject now about how to fix your dry hair. And it all starts first with making sure your scalp is moisturized and oiled, because your scalp, if you have 4C type hair, you don't produce as much sebum. You may produce a lot of sebum on your scalp, but a lot of people don't. And because we have these coils and curls on our hair, it's hard for the sebum to get down the strands. So there are 3 different products that I'm going to share with you how I keep my hair from getting really dry, and I try to keep my scalp oiled throughout the week. The first product I have is called my Green Miracle Scalp Fertilizer Oil, and it's due. This is 3 days after I wash. I put this oil on my scalp and I just massage and massage and massage. And that is a start. You want to start with the scalp first, and then you go on down to the hair. This is how you are going to be able to overcome your dryness. So I want to demonstrate this, but because of the sake of time, I am going to try to just show little pieces of me putting this on my scalp, and we'll go from there because I'm just trying to narrow down the video time. The second thing that I use, now I'm going to be getting to my hair, is the Mielle Organics Leave-In Conditioner. So what you want to do is you want to take your leave-in conditioner and you want to put it in your hand and basically put an oil on, with the conditioner. You want to put the oil with the conditioner, and you want to just get it in your hand, and you want to go ahead and apply it to your hair. Now I'm only doing just a minor demonstration. I'm not doing a full demonstration, but I'm letting you know how I moisturize my hair. So I just go ahead and put all that on my hair. Normally my hair is loose, and I'm getting all this conditioner for the moisture and the oil on my hair. Okay, so I'm putting all this on my hair. The second thing I normally do is I put a bag on my hair. Okay, I put a bag on my hair, and I allow the normal heat from my head to help the cuticles on my hair strands to open up. And normally you can, I normally leave my bag on for about an hour, sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. I mean, it depends. If I have other things to do and I don't have time, I just leave it on. And while I'm leaving this on my, the bag on my hair, all the while the cuticles are opening up, okay? That conditioner and that oil is getting in the shaft, okay? So all this is helping to moisturize your hair. Your hair is dry. Now it's not, because once those cuticles open, all this moisture is going in. Okay. So after I do that, the last thing I do is, and I have another product that I've been using only for myself. I don't sell it, but I have noticed a transformation with the texture of my hair. And because of the healthier your hair is, you will be transforming your hair to your true texture. I know a lot of people wonder, they see these girls in their beginning of their hair care journey, and they're like, wow, their hair looked almost like dry and brittle, and then as they're taking care of their hair, as they're doing the right things, putting the right products on their hair, then all of a sudden they see these clump curls, they see all this beautiful texture. This is their real true texture, is because their hair is healthy. So the healthier your hair is, you're going to bring out the true texture of your hair. The reason why your hair could be dry is because your hair is not healthy. So you want to get your hair in a healthy state. So let's get back to, once I take the bag off of my hair, this is the last step. I normally put a butter on my hair. And I actually have this butter that I made, and it has a lot of loaded ingredients. The main ingredient is mango butter, and I have actually used mango butter for weeks. I would say a few months now I've used mango butter. I've used it in my DIY conditioner when I'm using the rice, and I'll put the link down below of that video. You'll actually see mango butter, you'll see the rice and all that, this conditioner. So that's it. That's like my protein treatment. So I will put all this in the description box. So I've been using this mango butter on my hair, and it does have some moisture in it. I have a special herbal tea blend that I put in this, and I have natural preservative. There's still no chemicals in this whatsoever, and I've been using this on my hair. So I basically use this butter on my hair to basically coat my hair strands, because once you take that bag off and the temperature around your hair is starting to cool down, your cuticles are going to start to close. Okay, so the butters basically is going to be sitting on top of the strand to protect your hair and seal in the moisture. This is the purpose of the butter, to seal in the moisture. So I've been using this, and this is eventually going to be on my store coming soon. So if your hair is healthy, you can get your hair to a really nice texture without any chemicals, without anything that's going to alter the state of your hair. Now, for some of y'all out there that may like the Texalax and all that, you're still putting chemicals in your hair. That's not the true state of your hair. And at some point, you're going to have to keep up with doing your roots every so often. You're going to have to keep up with clipping your ends. You're going to have to keep up with the chemicals. When you're doing your hair natural and doing a method, like I say, with 3 ingredients, 3 products, any product of your choosing, you can get your dry hair to the maximum moisture potential. Now, the key to this, you have to make sure you are washing your scalp regularly. Now, I have been doing the African threading series for a time because I'm trying to keep my hands out of my head and I want to retain a little more length. But I'm still trying to keep moisture on my hair. Some of y'all are probably waiting and just really wondering, when am I ever going to start styling my hair so you guys can see all the clumps and all that. I'm waiting. I'm just trying to get a little more length on my hair. So as soon as I get, right now it's all about maintaining, keeping my hair healthy, and I'm okay with my style. So eventually I will be doing a video later down the road on styling my hair, so you guys can really see the texture and see all the curls and stuff. But with that all being said, I want to say goodbye on this Nat Tuesday, and I will see you guys next week. And as always, much love to you guys and many blessings to you all. Peace, and I'll talk to y'all next week. All right, take care and God bless. Bye.